How to use heat transfer paper, a step-by-step guide. Heat transfer paper is a fantastic tool for customizing fabrics with your unique designs. Whether a hobbyist or a professional, understanding how to use heat transfer paper can open creative possibilities. What is heat transfer paper? Heat transfer paper is a specially coated paper used to transfer printed designs onto fabric. It uses heat and pressure to adhere the design from the paper to the material, creating a permanent and vibrant print. There are two main types of heat transfer paper, inkjet and laser. Inkjet heat transfer paper is designed for inkjet printers, while laser heat transfer paper is compatible with laser printers. Choosing the correct type of paper for your printer is crucial for achieving the best results. How does heat transfer paper work? Heat transfer paper uses a combination of heat and pressure to transfer a printed design from the paper onto a fabric surface. Printing. First, you print your design onto the heat transfer paper using an inkjet or laser printer. Heat and pressure. Once you print the design, it is placed face down on the fabric. You apply heat and pressure to the paper using a heat press machine, such as an Insta heat press. Transfer. As the heat and pressure are applied, the design transfers from the paper to the fabric. The duration and temperature settings vary depending on the type of transfer paper and fabric used. Peeling. After transferring, peel off the backing paper, leaving the design adhered to the fabric. To ensure a clean and complete transfer, follow the manufacturer's guidelines for cooling and peeling. Understanding how heat transfer papers work lets you make informed decisions about your equipment and materials. When comparing heat transfer versus sublimation, heat transfer paper is often more accessible to beginners and offers a straightforward method for creating custom designs. Set up your heat press settings. Correctly setting up your heat press is crucial for a successful transfer. Start by turning on your heat press machine and adjusting the settings according to the heat transfer paper's specifications. For instance, using Nina heat transfer paper, refer to the manufacturer's guidelines for optimal temperature, pressure, and time settings. Typically, you'll need to set the temperature between 350 degree F to 375 degree F with medium to high pressure and a pressing time of about 15 to 30 seconds. Having your heat press machine calibrated accurately can make a significant difference in the quality of your finished product. Choose the right paper. Choosing the correct light heat transfer paper is vital for achieving the best results. The type of paper you select depends on the printer you use and the fabric you're transferring onto. For inkjet printers, Nina and Forever heat transfer paper are excellent choices. These brands offer high-quality paper that ensures vibrant colors and durable transfers. Prepare your transfer. Preparing your transfer is a critical step in the process. Start by designing your image or graphic using a design software of your choice. Put your design on paper. With your design printed and trimmed, it's time to place it on the fabric. Position your design face down on the fabric where you want the image to appear. Conclusion. Mastering heat transfer paper opens a world of creative possibilities for customizing fabrics. By following this step-by-step guide, you can achieve professional quality results, whether working on personal projects or commercial orders. Each step is crucial for a successful transfer, from setting up your heat press machine to choosing the right paper and caring for your finished product. For all your printing needs, including heat transfer paper, heat press machines, and inkjet printer spare parts, consider visiting a reputable online printer store like All Print Heads. Our extensive selection and expert advice can help you find the perfect products to enhance your printing projects.